Introducing the 2020 Ford Kuga Titanium First Edition with an impressive 1.5 litre engine and sleek black exterior. Packed with features such as ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking, this SUV is not to be missed. With only 16,848 miles on the clock, this vehicle is ready for its next adventure. From luxurious trim to smart card entry, every detail has been carefully considered. Rest assured, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit hillsford.co.uk for more information on this exceptional vehicle.